Ladies and gentlemen, as we gather here today for this exciting case competition, I'm honored to represent Longi, the case sponsor of this remarkable challenge. Longi's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and green technology is at the heart of what this competition is all about. Founded in 2000, Longi has made its mark as a leader in the solar energy industry, and we are here not only to support this competition, but also to inspire the brilliant minds that took on our case. Today, we will hear to take a closer look at Longi, about Longi's remarkable achievement and their journey towards a greener world, our target. At the end of this presentation, and I will propose some questions for the students' teams who select Longi's case, challenges for that will test your skills and also your creativity as you explore solution for real-world business problem. Okay, now let's look about Longi. And as the biggest solar company in market, Longi ranked among top one brand in global PV sector, and we also topped the world's module shipment and market share for 3 consecutive years. And in 2022, Longi harvested around 129 billion RMB revenues, ranking 186th in Fortune China 500 and 530th in Forbes Global. In the evolution on China brand's value published by China Council for Brand Development in 2023, Longi created an all-time high in its brand value and in brand strength. Longi sees technology R&D as a significant engine to productive forces. And in 2022 alone, Longi had invested more than 7 billion RMB in R&D, accounting for more than 5% of the yearly operation revenue. Over the decade from our IPO in 2012 to September 2022, the company has invested more than 18 billion RMB in R&D, the largest amount in the solar industry. And for our business, and Longi committed to the mission of making the best of solar energy to build a green world and the brand image of the most trusted, reliable solar company. Longi focuses on technological innovation and endeavor to build its business in 5 areas. And our silicon wafer and also our silicon modules and our distributed photovoltaic solution, and also utility business, and also our hydrogen energy equipment solutions. And this is our mainly business. And our target is to grow into a green power plus green hydrogen product and solution provider to achieve a zero carbon development around the world. And for our contribution, as we transition from discussing Longi's impressive annual module shipment achievement to their worthwhile environmental efforts. And it's crucial to recognize that their commitment to sustainability goes beyond numbers and extended into a profound dedication to environmental responsibility. As Longi subsidiaries has obtained ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification, as 17 of their business have received ISO and 50001 Energy Management System certification. Furthermore, the use of renewable energy sources accounting for around 47% of their energy consumption, signifies their significant transition towards cleaner and more sustainable energy solutions. Our dedication to green electric usage has led to the avoidance of an estimated around 400,000 metric tons of greenhouse gas emissions, roughly equate to planting 135 million trees. Longi is committed to environmental responsibility and sustainable practice. We are making a tangible contribution to environmental conservation and addressing the challenge of climate change. And for our sustainable climate contributions, and in addition to our efforts to reduce carbon emission, we have made our committed by drawing SBTi and RE100 and the EV100 and also EP100. We have drawn the SBTi global initiative, signifying our dedication to setting cleaner and ambitions to carbon reduction targets. And not stopping here, and Longi has become an active participant in initiatives like RE100, EV100, and EP100 from the climate group. And we also make our commitment to society at large. And we are not just talking the topic, but also walking the walk when it comes to responding to global climate changes. And for our climate contributions, we can look there's furthermore information. Longi is the first PV company in China whose target was passed by the SBTi. And Longi commits to reduce absolute Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions 60% by 2030 from 2020 base year. And Longi also commits to increase active annual sources of renewable electric from 50% in 2019 and to 100 by 2028 through 2030. Longi further commits to reduce Scope 3 emissions from purchased goods and services 50% per tons of purchased materials by 2030 from 2020 base year. And we also building a green value chain. And at Longi, we are not only committed to reducing our own carbon emissions, but also to create a more sustainable and responsible supply chain. We have embarked on a journey to build a green value chain that aligns with our vision for a cleaner and greener future. To achieve this target, and we have continually improved our green supply chain system. We have embraced a more precise and value chain emission accounting methodology, providing crucial environmental support to our valued suppliers. Our commitment to sustainability extends to the materials we use. As the BOM materials for our component undergoing different testing and certifications by external bodies. We stand firm in our responsible to avoid conversational materials in our procurement process. Furthermore, we have implemented a vertical integrated product traceability management system, ensuring transparency and accountability at every step. At the 2022 Longi Green Energy Supply Conference, we proudly unveiled our supply chain green partner empowerment program. And this initiative aims to drive energy saving and emission reduction actions among our suppliers and our supply partners through carbon management empowerment training. We wanted to work with our suppliers to make a more sustainable and eco-friendly path towards the future. And